So, you've been thinking about buying an e-bike in 2025? Smart move! Whether you're commuting, running errands, or just cruising around town, electric bikes are no longer just a trend. They're legit replacements for your car, gym membership, and maybe even your morning coffee. I've tested more than a few of them myself over the last few months, from hauling groceries to dodging traffic lights. And let me tell you, some models truly stand out. Let's break down the 5 e-bikes that actually deliver on performance, value, and pure riding joy. If comfort and practicality are at the top of your list, the Velotric Discover 2 is worth checking out. It's a low step-through design with serious muscle under the hood, powered by a 750-watt motor and a battery setup that gets you close to 60 miles on a full charge. This thing hauls, literally. With a 440-pound total weight capacity, it's ideal for carrying gear, groceries, or even a passenger with the right accessories. The torque is punchy, the hydraulic disc brakes are strong, and the 8-speed Shimano drivetrain keeps it versatile. It even has a front suspension fork and a bright color display for tracking assist levels and range. Now, it's not feather light, and yes, there's a slight front wheel wobble if you're going hands-free. But if you're keeping both hands on the bars like you should, it's barely noticeable. For city cruising, weekend errands, or just riding in style, the Discover 2 absolutely delivers. The Lectric one was one of the biggest surprises in our testing. At just around $2,400, it features a pinion gearbox drivetrain. Yeah, the same kind found on bikes that usually cost twice as much, and a Gates belt drive system that's practically maintenance-free. This thing is a commuter's dream. No chain grease, no gear skipping, and a ton of torque from the 750-watt hub motor. It hits 28 miles per hour with pedal assist, making it a true Class 3 e-bike. And while the cadence sensor gives a slightly disconnected ride feel, I got used to it within a day or two of city commuting. If you want a reliable, weather-resistant, low-maintenance commuter bike that doesn't look or feel cheap, the Lectric one punches way above its weight. Now let's talk fat tires, because the Aventon Adventure is a beast. It's got a 750-watt rear hub motor, a built-in torque sensor, and enough upgrades from the previous model to make it feel like a whole new ride. The throttle response is smoother, the new head unit is clean and easy to use, and you get built-in turn signals, a rack, fenders, and front lighting. I rode this through gravel trails, snow, and even some light off-roading. It's not built for mountain biking, but for fire roads, bad weather, or beach cruising, it's fantastic. Yes, it's heavy, 77 pounds heavy, but once you're rolling, the power more than makes up for it. If you want a fun, stable, go-anywhere bike that handles like a tank but rides like a cruiser, this is the one. The Tern Quick Haul. Long D9 is what happens when utility meets quality. This isn't just a cargo bike, it's a car replacement. It's built with Tern's signature compact design, but it can haul up to 419 pounds. I've ridden this with 2 kids on the back and a trailer full of groceries, and it didn't even flinch. You get an 85 Newton-meter motor with Bosch's cargo line system, hydraulic disc brakes, and a modular design that lets you customize everything from racks to passenger seats. Sure, it's not cheap, but if you want something built to last, fit into tight spaces, and still carry everything you need, the Quick Haul Long is a no-brainer. If I could only recommend one e-bike for most riders, it's the Aventon Level 3. This thing just gets it right. You get a 500-watt motor, a suspension seat post, an adjustable stem for comfort, and upgraded Magura hydraulic disc brakes for precise stopping. And here's the kicker. It's loaded with smart features, built-in GPS, theft deterrence like a wheel lock and motion alarm, and customizable settings via Aventon's mobile app. The frame looks clean with the integrated battery, and the overall ride feel is buttery smooth. I've used this for daily commuting, errands, and even longer joy rides. It's balanced, fast, and just feels right. At under $2,000, it's hands down the most well-rounded e-bike of the year. So there you have it, my picks for the best e-bikes in 2025. Whether you're after speed, comfort, hauling power, or just an easy way to get around, one of these bikes will get the job done. And then some. Got a favorite? Did I miss your go-to ride? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding. And if this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Ride smart, stay safe, and enjoy the electric freedom.